Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany. He was part of a Jewish family. His family moved to Munich and later to Milan. Albert was a quiet and curious child. At school, he asked many questions. But he did not like strict rules. He loved math and science. But sometimes, teachers didn't understand his ideas. So he went to Switzerland to study. He finished university in 1900. He could not find a teaching job. So in 1902, he worked at the patent office in Bern. There, he had free time to think. In 1905, he wrote 4 important science papers. This year is called his miracle year. One famous idea was E equals mc squared. It means mass and energy are the same. In 1909, he became a professor in Zurich. Later, he worked in Prague and Berlin. In 1915, he completed the general theory of relativity. In 1919, scientists proved it during a solar eclipse. He became world famous. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." In 1922, Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics. He explained the photoelectric effect, how light works like small particles. Einstein hated war. In 1933, when Hitler came to power, he left Germany. He moved to the United States and worked at Princeton. In 1939, he wrote a letter to the U.S. president. He warned about atomic bombs, but he did not help build them. He later said, "The world is dangerous, not because of evil people, but because of people who do nothing." After the war, he worked for peace. He wanted to stop nuclear weapons. Einstein also loved music. He played the violin and said music helped him think. He once said, "I have no special talent. I am only very curious." Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. Today, people remember him as a great scientist.